Welcome all of you for this new video. So today's topic about aesthetic product. So again, it is aesthetic product according to these EU MDR regulations. Okay, like any medical device regulations, I'm talking about aesthetic product which comes under the medical device regulations. So first we understand what is aesthetic product. So aesthetic products are those products which improve appearance. In general, what I'm saying, which improve appearance of what? The body appearance. They improve the body appearance. So anything which help in improving the body appearance is comes under the aesthetic product. So what they does, they do some kind of structural or functional changes in the body. Another way of defining aesthetic products are those products which make structurally or functionally changes in the body are known as aesthetic products. So initially these aesthetic products is not covered by medical device regulations, but with this EU MDR 2017-745 it comes under the medical device regulations, and they grouped such kind of medical devices in annexure in some of the, and those like I'm saying, they grouped under some of the medical devices, and it is given, the detail was given in annexure 16 of EU MDR regulations. So where they have grouped. So what exactly doing this aesthetic product? So it is more like some cosmetic treatment, like wrinkles, skin care, such kind of treatment, such kind of things comes under the one other example, like dermal fillers, collagen fillers, dermal fillers, collagen fillers, skin removal or collagen treatment, collagen removal, like these. So any kind of medical devices which make a good body appearance, like cosmetic surgeries, lip surgery, hip surgeries, and even the nose surgeries, and even the liposuctions, like any medical devices has been designed developed for the liposuctions or wrinkle removal, maybe the fat removing, such kind of things. So if we, so any such kind of medical product which comes under these categories are known as aesthetic product. And we already discussed this aesthetics product initially, which is not covered in EU regulation, medical device regulations, but right now it is covered. I given the next number also. Apart from that, US FDA also they covered this aesthetic product with the 510K regulations. There are some of the regulatory requirement which has need to follow according to the US FDA 510K regulations. So it is comes under that also, and they in general categorize them at cosmetics product or something like that. Not cosmetic product, like cosmetic domain or the cosmetic surgery domain, you can say. So most of the devices utilize in that categories only. So this is a small part of aesthetic product. Now what is the best part is that initially it was not covered. So right now if it is covered in EU MDR regulations, why it is very beneficial? Because for the sake of good appearance, especially if you know the South Korea is a major hub for the cosmetic surgeries and all. They are very specialized, and if we do some kind of studies, then you come to know the people have much more psychological and mental pressure to being to appearing in a good form and postures, and that is why they done abundance of cosmetic surgery over there. So in the name of cosmetic surgery, if you heard in India itself, there are so many cosmetic surgeons are there. For the sake of the good body appearance, they damage the body of any celebrities and all. If you go, you find the bunch of information on that. So that is why it is very good if it is comes under the regulation. Yeah, I'm not talking about the India, maybe because we don't have such kind of regulations over here, but I'm very happy even some of the people go for the Europe and US and UK where they do such kind of surgery. So even there also so many mishap is happenings. So it is very good, like these kind of devices also comes under the regulation size, and they will regulate it, like there should be no any kind of anomalies or any kind of adverse incident event should happens. So in that way they can regulate the device and patient's care and everything. So this is all about these aesthetic products. One thing I just forget to mention in the aesthetic product is about technology, which kind of technology they are using in general in most of the cases. So all are these radio frequencies, ultra NIR light, ultraviolet light is also utilizing, especially for the Caucasians peoples, because their skins are very white. So I don't remember the country name, but if you go and Google it, you will find it out. In some other country where that is a very general and very normal thing. If they go for the wedding, so before going for the wedding, like before 1 week or something, they go for some ultraviolet treatment on their skin, so their skin become little bit darker. So because more white skin, so little bit darkness, so it's like reddish or something skin. So and they consider those skin as a beauty. If their skin become little bit darker than what, then it's a beauty part for them. So they're doing such kind of treatment. I'm not talking about those ultraviolet which is harmful. So this kind of treatment is also doing. So they're developing or refined ultraviolet light, or maybe some what frequency should be there, what kind of intensity should be there to make such kind of darkness, because the darkness also have the different shades. So which darkness shades they want, because their skins are very light, they want darkness, or what level of the darkness they want, and for that they need to control the device which emitting the UV light, like what frequency should be there, what kind of intensity should be there, what kind of the duration. So this kind of research goes on for the device development. So these are the one thing. And in the case of the radio frequency, another where lots of cosmetic surgery happening with the utilization of lasers, also the laser technologies, also some fat burning or anything. So that time the laser device development is happening, some kind of radio frequency they utilize for damaging of any kind of tissues and removing of those things. So that thing is also there. So laser, radio frequencies, and this NIR light, especially ultraviolet light and NIR light. Yeah, NIR light is a near infrared light. What it goes near infrared light, body absorb near infrared light with a huge extent. Like it is not get absorbed by your skin, so NIR light can easily penetrate through the body, like inside it can goes. I told you vice versa, like differently. So NIR light, what happens, so when it's imparted, like when it's imparted over the body, then once they go through the skin's bloods and reach to the muscles, so the muscles relaxation is much more happening with the NIR light. So it's helped them. So this is the reason why people are saying early morning, like early morning sunlight is very good for any human body or anyone, because your body like it's not reflected, if I can say. It is absorbs it is absorbance, but it's not absorbance on your from the outer skins. It get inside of the body, so somehow it make a healing power, it enhancing the healing power, any damages, controlling the any kind of damaging effects and other things. So this is the reason, and I like why I'm saying the, because my own research is where I have utilized the near infrared light for the cancer treatments. So I know what is the benefits of this near infrared light. So any kind of skin treatment, any kind of cosmetic surgery, cosmetic treatment, these are the few technology which is majorly used. So that's what I want to mention it. So we know right now what is aesthetic product. Aesthetic product I already told you, and we already know what technology we can use. So these are the technology, and we also know earlier it is was not covered in any regulations, but right now these aesthetic product get regulated by EU MDR regulations 2017 and 45, and these are grouped into few group of devices, and which is given in the Annex 16. So you can go and check it out. Thanks for this day. So we will meet with another video with another topic. Till then, bye, take care.